Hi everyone, and thanks for watching my online lesson on fractions of amounts. So this is an easier question. This question says, a box contains 200 tissues. Toby takes 3/5 of these tissues. Work out how many tissues he takes. So we need to work out what 3/5 of 200 is. Now I'm going to work out first, what if it was 1/5? So let's make the problem easier and do 1/5 of 200. Now working out a fifth of something means splitting it into 5 equal shares. So I just need to do 200 divided by 5. That's 40, and that's what 1/5 is. But Toby doesn't take 1/5, he takes 3/5. So to work out 3/5, I just need to multiply the answer I got for 1/5, which was 40, by 3, because he got 3/5. So 40 times 3 is 120. So 3/5 of 200 is 120. So Toby took 120 tissues. Here's a similar question for you to try. Pause the video and then unpause when you're ready to see the solution. Here's the full solution. So I found 1/4 first, and 1/4 of £60 is £15, and then multiplied by 3 to find 3/4, which is £45. This is a slightly harder example. So this says there are 24 men in a room. A half of the men are wearing a red shirt. A third of the men are wearing a green shirt, and the rest of the men are wearing a blue shirt. Work out the number of men wearing a blue shirt. So I need to work out first how many men are wearing a red shirt. So I'm going to write red equals, now this is a half of 24. So to find a half of something, I just divide by 2. So there are 12 men wearing a red shirt. Now the next information they give me is that a third of the men are wearing a green shirt. So green is a third of 24. So to find a third of 24, I'm going to divide it by 3. This means there are 8 men wearing a green shirt. So to work out the number of men wearing a blue shirt, it says the rest of the men are wearing a blue shirt. So if I take my total amount of men, which is 24, and take away the number of men wearing a red shirt, which is 12, and also take away the number of men wearing a green shirt, which is 8. So if I do 24, take away 12, take away 8, I get 4. So there must be 4 men wearing a blue shirt. Here's a similar style question for you to try. Again, if you pause the video, you can unpause when you're ready to see the solution. Here's the full solution. So in this question, you should have got that Mary gets 12 sweets, Anne gets 2, which means Danny, who gets the remaining sweets, must have 6 sweets. Thank you for watching.